What are you guys recording?
What's that?
What are you guys recording?
Anything I can see in public.
What is it for?
What is it for? It's for me.
Okay, what's the point that you need it for?
Oh, I'm not going to tell you that.
Why are you not wearing a mask?
Because I don't need to. Why are you wearing a
You
mask?
do a vaccine?
Huh?
You do a vaccine?
That's none of your business. My medical.
Why are you recording me?
Because I want to. Because I'm in a public. I'm in a public place, and you're.
Okay, you gotta stop it.
No, I don't.
You gotta stop it.
No, you're wrong.
Go somewhere else.
No,
to me.
you're wrong. You're wrong. We're both in public, right?
I'm not throwing it to your face.
What's that?
I'm not throwing this to your face.
I wouldn't suggest assaulting me in any way. You move along.
Can you record
Who are
that?
you to tell me what to do? Who are you, my daddy? Gone.
I'll call the police for you.
Well, do that if you want to. You shouldn't. No laws have been broken. No crimes have been committed.
Okay.
I'm in public. You're in public. He's doing the same thing, but you're not telling him to stop.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Freaking Media. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on February 8th, 2022 in Detroit, Michigan. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of the Secretary of State's office in Detroit, Michigan that is located right beside the Ambassador Bridge. Freaking Media had no issues filming inside the building until he ran into two civilians that did not want to be recorded. Unfortunately for them, there is this little thing called the First Amendment of the Constitution, which allows Freaking Media to record anything he can see in public. He tries to explain this to these two guys, but they got in their feelings, so what do? They called the feelings police. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
You don't have to, because it's not a law.
Yeah, you have to. It's a
No,
law.
that's
It's a law
wrong.
of
You're
Michigan.
misinformed.
You have to wear the mask.
You're misinformed. You're misinformed.
Unless you have a vaccine.
You're misinformed. And I don't have to divulge my medical information to you. Who are you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I'm totally fine.
There's something in your mind?
Well, there's something in everybody's mind, isn't there?
You're not normal, man.
I'm not normal?
No, not at all.
Who are you to say if I'm normal or not? Are you the normal judge?
Yes.
You determine who's normal and who isn't?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Who gave you that authority?
Me.
Oh, yeah? Cool. Awesome. Well, good luck living in your own little world.
You're trying to be famous, you're not going to be famous.
Huh?
If you're trying to be famous
If
on
I'm-
TikTok or YouTube or whatever,
Oh, okay.
you're not going to be a famous.
Oh, no? Okay.
That's just
I don't want to be
That's
famous.
the stupid work you're doing.
I don't want to be famous. I just want to do what's lawfully
You just wanna do
allowed.
like this?
I want to do what...
Okay.
No, I'm not doing
Are you
like that.
okay? There's something in your mind?
Yeah, my mind's great. Is your mind okay?
Your brain is messed up.
Your brain is messed up to think
Your
that
brain
you...
is messed up.
Your brain is messed up if you think you have the right to tell me what to do. I'm a grown-ass man in public.
So you don't
You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't tell me what I can and can't do. Did I come up to you and tell you what you can and can't do? No, I did not. I can record you. I most certainly can. You're in public. You're in public. You have no expectation of privacy in public. Learn that.
Okay, well, you have to put your camera away from me.
I don't need to. I don't want to. You said something to me. Had you just kept your mouth shut, I wouldn't have recorded you. But you got to mess with us? Ain't you got better things to do today than mess with us?
I have a lot of things.
Well, then go do it.
But
Your guy's waiting on you.
the problem is...
There's no problem.
you're scaring people when
I'm not scaring nobody, dude. It's a
People are
camera.
trying to do their job.
Show me
They're
where the
trying
camera touched you, bro.
They're trying to finish their
Show me
work.
where the camera touched you.
And you staying here with the recording for the people.
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah,
that's
because
not
they're
right.
recording, aren't they, in there?
That's not right.
Are they recording in there? Do they not have cameras all over their ceiling
That's a
recording you?
security camera.
Huh?
That's security
And you know I can FOIA request that and get that same video footage? Do you realize that? Yes, I can.
For safety.
I can submit a Freedom of Information Act request and get that video footage they have in there.
Have a nice day.
Have a good day, man. You ain't gone yet?
Do you like my car?
Do I like your car?
Yeah.
Not really.
Why you recording it?
Because you're driving it.
You like it?
No.
No?
No.
Then
No.
Put the camera away.
No, sir.
Why?
Because I don't have to. Tell him to put his camera away.
Yeah, there's something behind you.
Oh, well. Be all right. Yeah, see?
See? You gotta be careful.
Yeah, I'm all right. Don't worry about my safety. Worry about yours.
My safety, it's good.
Is you okay? Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're not gone yet?
Good enough.
You're not gone yet? VIN number. Nice. You know that's all public information, right? You're in public.
You recording one more time or no?
I'm recording.
I don't care. You just record. It's fine.
Okay, cool. You should go, man. You got better things to do today.
Why are you recording?
Because I'm recording in public, man.
Hit somebody with a car, that's a felonious assault.
Yeah, it's assault with a deadly weapon trying to hit somebody with a car. You realize that? That's a crime? What we're doing is not a crime, but what you just did is a crime.
I'm gonna stay here.
Cool. You gonna call the police and report to them that you just tried to hit somebody with your car?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So I got it on video.
Yeah, so do I. That's why I record. So when dummies do dumb stuff,
Bro, stay away, please.
I got it on video.
Please.
You should just leave, bro.
Hello? Yeah, how you doing? We are in, next to the Secretary of State, and there's two people here. They recording with the camera, they took the VIN number, they took the license plates and stuff like this. And they bothering people. And they bothering people. A lot of people that got bothered. We are located in
Listen, if you
hold
don't
on,
want
hold on. Hold on, let me give you a location. 2835 Bagley Street, Detroit. It's Bagley Street. B-A-G-L-E-Y Street.
I'll bet you one thing. After they come and leave, I'll still be standing right here. And you're going to get educated. You're going to learn something about America. We got freedoms and rights here. Cheese.
No, man, I want you to say it louder.
Cheese. There you go.
Take it up your ass, man.
No, I'm good.
I'm taking big shit of it.
There you go. You're number one. Don't let anybody tell you any different. You are and always will be number one.
Thank you for that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everything is recorded too.
Absolutely. I record everywhere. Hey guys, how's it going? Freezing out here. That's what I'm doing. It's a little chilly. How y'all?
Good. Is that your car?
No.
Okay.
No, he's the one that called you guys. I told him not to. We weren't breaking the law or doing anything illegal. I told him not to call you guys and waste the resources, but
Yeah.
his feelings are hurt, I guess, so he had to call the Fields Police.
Okay. What are you guys filming?
We was in the Secretary of State office, the Welcome Center, and then I was in the hallway out in front of the Secretary of State office, and these three gentlemen come out, started running their mouth at me, telling me I couldn't record them, and this, that, and the other. No. No.
I don't know why they weren't.
No. No, the manager inside the Secretary of State office was phenomenal.
Okay.
She didn't have a problem with us recording. Just this.
I'll ask.
These gentlemen here who are blocking this, they've been blocking this instead of parking. Cool. Which one?
That guy right there.
Oh, that's the Lance Commander? Awesome. How you doing, Sarge? You having a good day? We was hoping to see the ambassador full today, but they cleaned it off, didn't they? All right, can we get y'all's name and badge numbers, guys? Y'all did awesome, man. Awesome, sweet, I love it. Sergeant Thompson.
Thompson, badge S664.
Awesome, guys. Y'all out of the 4th?
Yes, we
Cool. I think the 4th precinct knows who we are pretty well. Awesome, guys. Appreciate you.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Freakin' Media's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.